how to set up Touch ID on your iPhone 6s so you can unlock your device using your fingerprint. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode if prompted, then tap Add a fingerprint. Now, place the finger or thumb you want to use on the Home button. Gently lift and rest your finger on the Home button several times, making sure to slightly adjust its position each time. This allows your iPhone to capture different parts of your fingerprint for better recognition. Once the first scan is complete, tap Continue. Next, adjust your grip and lightly touch the edges of your finger to finish the setup. After your fingerprint has been added, choose how you'd like to use Touch ID. For example, you can enable it for iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, or App Store and iTunes purchases, depending on your preferences. That's it. Your Touch ID is now set up, and you can unlock your iPhone quickly and securely using your fingerprint. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.